Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at charging station for the Xbox Series X, S, and the Xbox One, as well as the Elite. Basically all the new gens. So right here you have the indicators right here. This retails for around $20. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase. On the left side, I believe, you have the specs. So those are the centimeters, those are the millimeters, these are 1200 milliamp capacity. So there's 4 of them obviously. Let's get straight into it. On the top you have like a user manual / product functions. It does have an LED light to be able to indicate. It's 3" by 3" 1" high. It doesn't weigh that much. It can charge at 5 volts 1.3 amps. And then right here is the actual device. Has a mimic of a Xbox Series X design. It looks pretty cool, really nice. And then obviously the LED indicators on the corners. This is where the chambers are for the batteries. On the bottom you have some little rubber feet to make it so it grips and not slide, 5 volt. And then on the back of the device you have a Type-C port. Alright, getting underneath this we have all the batteries. So you have 2 orange ones and 2 black ones, as well as a Type-C to Type-A charging cable. Alright, so I've been using this for a few days. Just plugged it into my Xbox with the included Type-C to Type-A cable. Works like a charm. I only have one complaint with this, or actually 2 complaints. One, that it's not a very long-lasting battery, obviously, because it's 1200 milliamps, so it only gets you about 10 hours on a single charge, which is not a lot if you're a solo gamer, because I'm used to typically like 50 hours on a single battery or more. This one will only give you about 10 to 15 hours, which is not that much. Another thing is sometimes with this particular model, I'm not sure if it's the cable or what, it'll make some hissing noises, kind of not consistent, but it goes on and off, so it'll make hissing noises. It's very faint, but if you're paying attention, you'll hear it. If you have a headset on, you won't really know. That's pretty much it. Those are the only 2 complaints. Everything else is pretty good about the product. Like they do work, they do charge, they sit in there nice and snug, they look good, very nice to configure, and they obviously have all different LED indicators so you can see that. They haven't damaged my controller. I'm pretty sure they won't because they do have a certification. Another thing is that when you're putting these in the battery, there's like a little slant here, like a diagonal, as you can see. And on the actual base here, you have a diagonal matching, so you have to match those up like that. So diagonal to diagonal. If you put it in like a wrong way, it will not go in all the way and it won't charge. So that's a really smart mechanism to be able to make sure you're putting it in the right way, and that way it charges without making it, you know, fake charge basically. So really cool on that. I love that mechanism, and I like the design as well as the LED indicators. They do work, and they're less than like 20 bucks, which is insane. So if you have a 4-player controller system, or if you're 2 to 1 player, this is perfect. Because if you don't game for that much as 4 people, if you don't game, just continue to charge them. Also, I did try to charge these with the controller on, and they don't work. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything I have to say about this product. There's not really too much to say about these. It's a quick 5-minute video at least, but it's really simple product. Alright, so I actually have one of the batteries in here, and I'm going to show you how to insert it really quick. So you have to insert it where the label is down, and then this part is on the left side. So the contact pins are on the left side. Contact pins first, and then the flat side last, and that's pretty much it. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be good. That's pretty much how you hook those up.